Hi guys, today we are in Badulla. We are going to see the Dunhinda waterfalls. There's some beautiful scene from here. Hardly you can see the waterfall from here. You have to get down and see. Here is the ticket counter. There are many shops. Still walking on the track. Still walking on the track. Crystal clear water. I've been walking for 15 minutes. Actually, this was not a planned trip. I'm on the way to Kandy, so I saw this waterfall. I saw the sign. We've seen this waterfall in a Sinhala drama. When we were small, there was a drama called Dunhinda. So from that time, I wanted to come here and experience. So today, I think I was passing this waterfall, so I thought, okay, because you never know, you can come again, or you'll get a chance to come again. Let's see. So I'm going down the steps. கைஸ், இன்றைக்கு பதுல்லையில் இருக்கிற ஒரு நீர்வீழ்ச்சியை தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். துன்ஹிந்த ஸ்ரீலங்காவில் இருக்கிற பெரிய நீர்வீழ்ச்சிகளில் ஒன்று தான் இதுவும். நான் நடந்து கொண்டிருக்கிறேன். வாத வழியில் நிறைய கடைகள் இருந்துச்சு. காட்டுள்ளுக்கால தான் போக வேண்டியிருக்குது. சில இடங்களில் நல்லா தான் இருக்குது, படியெல்லாம் போட்டு நல்லா இருக்குது. அண்ட் மழை இல்லை, நல்ல வெதர். பாப்போம் எப்படி இருக்குதுண்டு துன்ஹிந்த நீர்வீழ்ச்சி. Still walking on the track. You can hear the sound. I hope it's worth to go this much far. But to be careful, slippery. Some areas they are slippery. There you can see in a bit distance, but I'm going to get more closer. Getting closer, closer and closer. See the force of the water. This is the viewpoint of the waterfall. Whoever remember the teledrama Dunhinda, they know this place. Unlike other waterfalls, you cannot go for a swim or you cannot go to have a bath here. There is no track to go down. So be safe and enjoy the natural wonders of Sri Lanka.